Windows are a key element of your home, serving not just as a way to let in natural light and ventilation but also as a vital component of energy efficiency and security. In Houston's hot, humid climate, where temperatures can soar and humidity levels rise, your windows play an even more important role in maintaining comfort and lowering energy bills. Over time, however, even the best windows can show signs of wear and tear. If you notice any of the following 5 signs, it might be time to replace your windows to keep your home in top condition. Drafts or uneven temperatures in your home. One of the most noticeable signs that it's time to replace your windows is if you feel drafts or notice certain rooms are much hotter or colder than others. Older windows, especially those with single panes or outdated seals, can allow air to leak into your home. This air infiltration can make it difficult to regulate your indoor temperature, causing your HVAC system to work harder. In a climate like Houston's, where summers can see temperatures above 90 degrees Fahrenheit and winters can get unexpectedly chilly, the last thing you want is for your home to feel uncomfortable or for your energy bills to spike. If you can feel air coming through the window frame, or if the temperature fluctuates unevenly throughout the house, replacing the windows with more energy-efficient options will help maintain a consistent indoor climate and reduce your energy consumption. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice fog or condensation between the glass panes of your windows, it's a sure sign that your window seal is failing. The condensation forms when moisture enters the airspace between the glass layers and can no longer escape due to a damaged seal. This issue not only affects the window's appearance but can also lead to further damage, including mold or mildew growth. The buildup of moisture can even weaken the glass over time, making it more susceptible to cracking. In Houston, where humidity is a constant issue, a broken seal can lead to serious problems if not addressed. Replacing your windows will restore their appearance, prevent moisture-related damage, and improve insulation. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that are difficult to open or close can be both a safety and a convenience issue. If you find it hard to operate your windows, it could indicate that the frame or sash has warped or that the mechanical components have worn out. Over time, wood can swell or warp due to the Houston humidity, while vinyl or metal frames may start to degrade from exposure to the intense heat. In addition to being inconvenient, this issue can become a safety concern, especially in the event of an emergency where you need to exit quickly. Replacing your windows with high-quality, durable options will not only improve functionality but will also provide peace of mind. Cracked or damaged window pane. It's easy to dismiss a small crack in a window, but even minor damage can pose a big problem. Cracked or broken panes of glass can reduce your window's ability to insulate your home, leading to higher energy bills and lower comfort levels. More importantly, cracked glass can compromise the safety and security of your home, making it easier for intruders to break in. If you notice any cracks or chips, especially in frequently used areas like patio doors or front windows, it's time to replace the window. Doing so will not only enhance your home's security but will also improve its overall aesthetic. Visible wear and tear on the frame. the condition of your window frame can tell you a lot about the overall state of your windows. In Houston's harsh weather conditions, frames made of wood, vinyl, or aluminum can deteriorate over time. Look for signs such as rotting wood, rust on metal frames, or cracking in vinyl. These signs of wear and tear can not only affect the window's performance but can also lead to water damage or pest infiltration. If you notice that your window frames are showing signs of significant wear, it may be time to replace both the frame and the window. Investing in new, durable windows will improve your home's curb appeal and ensure that the elements stay outside where they belong. Conclusion: in a climate like Houston's, your windows are your first line of defense against the heat, humidity, and other elements. If you notice any of these signs, replacing your windows can improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, security, and overall value. When it's time to upgrade, consider working with a professional window contractor who can help you select the best replacement windows for your home, tailored to Houston's unique needs. Investing in new windows will not only enhance your home's functionality but also protect your investment for years to come.